In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Etsy shop banner and logo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and how to upload and fine-tune your visuals so your shop looks polished and on brand. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. Click the first result to head to the Etsy homepage. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in using your usual credentials. This ensures you can access your shop settings without interruptions. Once you're in, click on your account icon and choose Account Settings. From there, navigate to your Shop Manager. This is your main dashboard for everything related to your storefront. On the left side, under Sales Channels, look for your shop name. You'll see a small pencil icon next to it. Click that to edit your shop appearance. At the top of this page, you'll find the banner area. Click the plus icon at the top where the banner is to start customizing. Etsy lets you choose a banner style, from big to mini. The larger option gives you more visual impact, while the mini banner keeps things minimal and focuses attention on your listings. Select the style that best fits your brand and layout preference, then click Done to confirm. Next, click Add an image to upload your banner. Choose a high-resolution file that aligns with Etsy's recommended dimensions and keeps text and key elements away from the edges. Once your image is uploaded, look for the arrow icon near the trash can icon. Use it to move the image around and highlight the exact part you want visible in your banner. This is especially helpful if your design has a focal point you want centered. When you're happy with the preview, click Save to apply your banner. While you're on the same page, let's update your shop logo. Click the camera icon near the logo area, then choose a file from your computer. Upload a clean, square image. Simple designs with clear contrast typically look best at smaller sizes. After the image loads, use the built-in cropping tool to frame your logo precisely, ensuring it remains crisp and readable. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. You've searched for Etsy, logged in, reached your shop manager, selected your shop for editing, set your banner style, uploaded and positioned your banner, and added a sharp logo. For best results, keep your branding consistent across both images, use clear typography, and preview on desktop and mobile to confirm everything looks great. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Etsy shop.